Hello everybody. We often purchase the mobiles that has less storage area. But there are certain applications and programs and applications and games that requires high storage area. But we are unable to install them because the internal memory is less. Now in this video I am going to tell you how to install the apps, games directly on SD card by default without rooting. For this process, first of all, in your computer you need to install the Java development kit if it is not already installed. Let's see how to do that. Google search Java JDK. In Java JDK, click on Java SE downloads, then you will be redirected to the Oracle Java site where you need to download JDK file. Click on download, then you will be redirected to these files. Accept the license agreement and then download the files accordingly. If you have 64-bit Windows, download this one, or accordingly you download the another files. After downloading, execute the file and the latest version of Java Development Kit will be installed in your computer. The next step is you need to install the Google's Android SDK file in your computer. This is how you have to do. Google search Android SDK. Then you will be redirected to the web page where you will be given the option to download the SDK. Download this particular file and execute it. Launch it in the directory C development, the development folder in C drive. After installation, launch the SDK manager. This is how you are going to launch the SDK manager. Go to C drive, then development, then ATT bundle Windows, and then SDK manager. Then there are certain options available here. You need to install the platform tools, the SDK platform tools. This is not installed by default. You will have to check this particular SDK platform tools and install this package. After the installation of the package, the following platform tools, are installed. We'll be using ADB utility in order to install the applications, the downloaded applications by default on SD card. The next step is to connect the Android phone with the computer with the cable provided along. Make sure that you enable the USB debugging on your Android device. This is how you will enable the debugging mode. Go to applications, then settings, and then applications, then development, and then check USB debugging. After this whole process is complete, do not forget to uncheck this USB debugging. Now next step is to navigate to the installation platform tool folder, and where you will be using the ADB utility. You will find this folder add C development, then ADT bundle Windows, and then SDK, then platform tools, and this ADB. Now hold the shift button, right click, and then click on open command window here. You will be directly taken to this particular folder. Here you will need to execute some commands. Now these are the commands that you are going to execute. First of all, execute this following command: ADB devices. ADB devices. Now it will show you the list of devices attached. This is the Android mobile that you have already attached. The next step is to give the instruction to the ADB to install all the applications or already installed applications to move to the SD card. Now run the following command: add shell pm set install location 2. This 2 denotes that you are instructing the Android mobile to install all the forthcoming applications or games directly to the SD card. If you want to revert back, if you want to undo the changes, you can again run the following command, the same command, by replacing 2 with 0, which will give the instruction to the Android mobile to install all the applications in the internal memory. And now download the games from the Google Play and install it. You will be installing it in the external SD card. Thank you once again for watching it.